Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best smartwatches for left-handed people, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. FitCloud Smartwatch. Elevate your lifestyle with the FitCloud Smartwatch. This remarkable device serves as your unwavering companion, empowering you to prioritize health while seamlessly keeping you connected. Imagine never having to worry about daily charging, thanks to its impressive battery life. Feel the freedom of answering calls and receiving notifications right from your wrist, ensuring you stay engaged with your loved ones and work. Designed for fitness enthusiasts, it tracks various activities, honoring every step you take toward your goals. With more than 300 customizable dials, it reflects your unique style effortlessly. This sophisticated smartwatch also monitors heart rate and sleep, acting as your personal wellness guardian. Ideal for anyone who craves convenience and vitality, the FitCloud smartwatch makes an exceptional gift that speaks to the heart. Embrace this blend of style and functionality, transforming your everyday moments into extraordinary experiences. Number 2. Togala Smartwatch. Embrace a healthier lifestyle with the Togala Smartwatch, your ultimate companion for fitness and wellness. Designed for those who seek to enhance their everyday lives, this device empowers you to track your heart rate, monitor your sleep, and stay connected with notifications right at your wrist. Picture yourself conquering your fitness goals, whether it is through running, cycling, or simply enjoying a brisk walk. With effortless access to call functions and music control, every moment becomes more enjoyable. The vibrant display allows you to personalize your watch face, showcasing your unique style. Every time you glance at your wrist, feel inspired to take on the day and seize new opportunities. The Togala smartwatch propels you confidently towards your dreams, making each moment count as you journey through life with vitality and purpose. Unlock your potential and transform your lifestyle today. Number 3. Otthound Smartwatch. Embrace a healthier lifestyle with the Otthound Smartwatch Model P68, designed to empower your every moment. This sophisticated device seamlessly connects you to your world, allowing you to receive calls and messages effortlessly on your wrist. Picture staying in tune with your health as the smartwatch monitors your heart rate, sleep, and blood oxygen levels throughout the day. With over 100 multi-sport modes at your fingertips, every workout becomes an exciting challenge, motivating you to push your limits. The stunning 2.01-inch high-definition touchscreen offers vibrant visuals, inviting you to customize your style. With a robust battery that keeps up with your busy life, this smartwatch is not just a tool but a fashion statement that fits your unique personality. Discover the joy of being connected and aware with the Otthound Smartwatch Model P68 today. Number 4. Ligay Smartwatch. Step into a world where style meets functionality with the Ligay Smartwatch Model FV15. This exquisite timepiece is not just about telling time, it elevates your everyday experience. Imagine effortlessly tracking your fitness goals while staying connected to loved ones through Bluetooth calling and message notifications. The vibrant display brings clarity to every detail, ensuring you never miss an important update, even in bright sunlight. Picture yourself embracing outdoor adventures with its powerful flashlight, illuminating paths during late-night hikes or unexpected adventures. The comprehensive health monitoring features offer peace of mind, helping you stay in tune with your heart and sleep patterns. With the Ligay Model FV15, you gain a versatile companion that supports not only your health but also your style, making every moment significant and every task manageable. Discover the blend of luxury and reliability that transforms how you live each day. Number 5. Fitwear Smart Tracker. Discover a new era of wellness with the Fitwear Smart Tracker, your ultimate companion for a healthier lifestyle. Imagine having the power of advanced health monitoring right on your wrist, guiding you every step of the way. This sleek and stylish smartwatch seamlessly integrates into your daily routine, making fitness not just a goal, but a lifestyle. Feel empowered as you track your heart rate, monitor your sleep, and receive instant notifications, all without missing a beat. The customizable dial adds a personal touch, allowing you to express your unique style. Embrace the encouragement of reminders and activity tracking, ensuring you stay on course while pursuing your fitness dreams. With enduring battery life, you can focus on what truly matters, your well-being. Elevate your journey to health and happiness with Fitwear Smart Tracker, designed for those who aspire to thrive. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.